In this video, I'm going to show you how to install VLC on your smart TV. So it's very simple. On your smart TV, head over to your app store, and here's mine. Open your app store. Then you go to the search button and search VLC. VLC. So VLC is a video player, one of my favorite video players. It's my favorite video players. I love it so much. Have a lot of functions when it comes to video playing. So that's VLC. I just click on it and I click download, and that's all how to download VLC on your smart TV. Short and simple. Just click on the download button and then you start downloading.